Paano ang pag-divide ng scientific notation? Ang ating gagawin, una ating i-divide itong decimal number na 1.2 by whole number na 4 by using long division method. Okay? Ganito po. So, 1 divided by 4 cannot be. So, ang ating ilagay ay 0 dahil hindi naman siya pwedeng ma-divide. Then, ang decimal point ay naka-align dito sa ating dividend. Then, multiply natin. 0 times 4, that is 0. Then, subtract natin. So, ngayon, bring down na lang natin 1 at saka itong 2. Okay? Ngayon, divide natin. 12 divided by 4, that is 3. Then, itong 3, lagay natin dito sa after decimal point. Then, 3 times 4, that is 12. Okay? Then, subtract natin. Minus 2, 0. So, ito ang ating quotient, 0.3. Then, copy natin itong base. Decimal naman sila. Itong times 10. Then, ang exponent ay ating isubtract. 7 minus 4, that is 3. Ngayon, by following the rule of scientific notation, take note, ang kanyang representation dito ay a times 10 to the power of n. So, take note, itong a less than or equal to 1 and less than 10. Ibig sabihin, kailangan siya ay hindi bababa sa 1. Okay? So, 1 at hindi rin siya abot ng 10. Okay? So, dahil itong ating numerical coefficient ay 0.3, so, kailangan ating gawin siyang hindi bababa ng 1. Okay? Ngayon, move lang tayo ng decimal point from left to right para po ito maging whole number. So, isang move lang ng decimal point, then ang kaniyang exponent ilalagay natin ay magiging negative 1. Ganito po. So, ito ng ating standard form of scientific notation, 3.0 or 3 times 10 the power of negative 1. Then, yung ating previous kanina na times 10 to the power of 3 ating lang subtract. Okay, negative 1 saka yung positive 3, that is 2. Okay, so ito ang final answer, 3.0 or 3 times 10 to the power of 2.